Hello and welcome everyone. So we are in a grave hour of crisis as the virus has already spread to Assam. So please stay at home and be safe. আজি আমি 2006 Indian polity question can discuss korim. So let's see. So the first question is, how many states are there in India at present? Options are 25, 26, 27 or 28. So the correct answer will be 28. Then, China acknowledged Sikkim as an integral part of India during the prime ministerial tenure of Dr. Manmohan Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Rajiv Gandhi or Chandrasekhar. So the correct answer will be Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next, which of the following is the first state to have been formed on the basis of language? Options are Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab or Karnataka. So the correct answer will be Andhra Pradesh. So it was created in 1953. Then, who presides over joint sitting of both houses of the parliament? Options are President of India, Vice President of India, Speaker of the Lok Sabha or Chief Justice of India. So the correct answer is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Then, the President of India may have the choice in the appointment of the Prime Minister when no party is having an absolute majority in the parliament, Lok Sabha consists of more than one party is having a minority in the Lok Sabha, or no single party is having majority in the Lok Sabha. So the correct answer will be D, no single party is having majority in the Lok Sabha. Then, according to the preamble of the Constitution of India, the main source of political authority is the people and the government, the society and the judiciary, the people or the state. So the correct answer will be the people. এইটো আমি আমাৰ preamble chapter to discuss কৰিছিলো. Then, which of the following is not a source of the Constitution of India? Options are debates of the Constituent Assembly, opinions of the constitutional jurists, debates of the British Parliament or enactment of the Indian Parliament. So the correct answer will be enactment of the Indian Parliament, because Indian Parliament was created after the Constitution has been enacted. Then, which of the following shall be considered as Indian citizens? Children born to the citizens of neighboring countries, children born to the diplomatic agents of the territory of India, children born to the Indian citizens on the territory of foreign countries, and children born to the foreign nationals on the territory of India, or none of the above. So the correct answer will be none of these. Then, who is the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? President of India, leader of the ruling party, Vice President of India or the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? So the correct answer will be Vice President of India. Then, in the absence of the Chief Justice of the High Court, the oath of the office of the governor is administered by senior-most judge of the High Court, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Senior Judge of the Supreme Court or the President of India. So the correct answer will be senior-most judge of the High Court. Then, not less than of the total number of seats to be filled up by direct election in every panchayat shall be reserved for women. Kiman percent hobo? 1/4, 1/3, 1/6 or 1/5. So the correct answer will be 1/3. Then, which of the following commissions has the power to conduct the elections to the Panchayati Raj institutions under the 73rd Constitution Amendment Act of 1992? Options are Central Election Commission, State Election Commission, Central Vigilance Commission or Sarkaria Commission. So the correct answer will be State Election Commission. Then, which of the following committees was appointed by the government to review the working of the Community Development Program? Options are Santhanam Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee or JVK Rao Committee. So the correct option will be Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Then, the National Development Council is the key organization of planning system, federal system, budgetary system or none of these. So the correct option will be planning system. Then, Which of the following is wrongly identified as an institution having important role in planning process in India? Planning Commission, National Development Council, State Planning Departments, or Tribal Welfare Department. So the correct option will be Tribal Welfare Department. Then at the last we have which of the following is the function of the National Development Council or NDC? Options are collection of taxes for national development, providing guidelines for the formulation of the national plan, then to prepare budgets for a nation, or to sanction grant to the state. So the correct option will be providing guidelines for the formulation of the national plan. So at this we come to the end of this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.